Hi everyone and welcome to another video, and this time it's going to be about my favorite subject of voice AI and my favorite company in that space, which is 11 Labs. And I was compelled to make this video because I just received a notification on their Discord channel, which I think is going to break a lot of things in future, and I mean it in a very positive way. Let me show you what that is. So I received this notification that 11 Labs have introduced something called as 11 AI, which is a voice first AI personal assistant. And it can obviously do voice first everything. It does have MCP server support, which is huge. It can do real actions. And it has some ready to go integrations like Perplexity, Linear, Slack, Notion, and all of them are connected out of the box. So you don't have to go to the pain of creating all the tool calls or MCP servers or anything like that. And this is on an alpha release. And I was so curious to try out that I clicked on this faster than the speed of light. And that took me to this place. I already have set this up, but you can do all of these settings, like you can have different voices and you can have custom behavior. But before that, let me just show you how it sounds like.
Good afternoon, Rish. It's 11. What can I do for you?
Hey Levin, good to see you again. I'm making a YouTube video about you right now.
Hey, it's great to hear from you too, Rish. A YouTube video about me, you say? That sounds absolutely fascinating. What kind of video is it, if you don't mind me asking? And is there anything I can help you with for it?
Yeah, I'm just putting you on the demo, like you are on the spotlight right now.
Oh, I see. So I'm officially on display, huh? Well, it's an honor to be in the spotlight for your video, Rish. Let me know if there's anything specific you'd like me to say or do to help make it even better. I'm ready for my close-up.
This is amazing. Like the last realism I heard of this level, it was from Sesame, and now 11 Labs is crushing it. So let me just show you the settings that we are having. So obviously we can have any voices like.
It's not about what we have or what we achieve, but about how we experience each moment. Here's to the crazy ones, the misfits,
Be sure that your audience hears a voice that's clear and understandable.
So you can have any voice for your assistant using the 11 Labs amazing voice libraries, and you can have your accent language. But this is where the magic comes in. So you can add integration, and right now it has all of these integrations. So let's say I add HackerNews and I add Perplexity and I add my Google Calendar, and you can also have custom MCP servers. And if you don't know how to create one, here's a video that I created to create one using VAPI, but the concept remains the same for 11 Labs as well. So even in alpha release, you can have custom MCP servers linked with your conversational AI agent. But right now, let me tell you what it can do with the current available tools out of the box. So we do all of that and we click save. And I think after that, you will have all these connected tools available for you to test out. Let's test them out.
Good afternoon, Rish. It's 11. What can I do for you?
Hey, can you tell me the top 3 stories from Hacker News right now?
Okay, the top 3 stories from Hacker News are Samsung embeds iron source spyware app on phones across WANA, agentic misalignment, how LLMs could be insider threats, and absence bench, language models can't tell what's missing. Is there anything else I can help you with right now?
Can you search for what's going on in the world right now? Like, tell me in one sentence. It's going to search for perplexity.
Okay. Here's a one-sentence summary of what's going on. Escalating conflicts in the Middle East, particularly between Iran and Israel, along with tensions in other regions, are compounded by domestic political issues in the U.S., international recognitions, and pressing humanitarian and environmental concerns around the globe. Did you?
Okay, now let's see how well it can answer our questions regarding our calendar and meetings. So here's my calendar, and let me add an event right here, which is like super secret vet. And let me refresh it to make sure that it's synced with the Google servers. It is. Now let's start a call.
Good evening, Rish. It's 11. What can I do for you?
Hey, can you check if I have any meetings lined up on Tuesday?
Sure thing. To clarify, would you like me to check for meetings on Tuesday of this week or next week?
This week.
Okay, on Tuesday, June 23rd, you have a meeting titled Rish and Roman Cherny from 3 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. Then on Wednesday, June 24th, you have a super secret event from 7:15 a.m. to 8 a.m. Anything else?
No, thank you.
Okay, Rish, have a great day.
So as you see, the 11 Labs 11 AI is able to do all of these right out of the box. And if you have been following voice AI development so far, you would know that how complex it can get to just link these tools with automations like init end or make in the background, which now are inbuilt and you don't have to do anything else to do all of these tools and workflows. Like you don't even have to lift a finger, you just connect and everything works out of the box. So that is 11 Labs' new 11 AI conversational tool. I'm super excited for the future of voice AI. And if you also are, make sure you subscribe to my channel because a lot of cool stuff on voice AI is in the works. See you in the next one.